So we have many updates to talk about checkers, claiming, and all of that. So I'm not gonna waste your time. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, I do wanna go and take profit on a trade that I did open yesterday with you, and this is on the Breakout prop firm. And yes, we have seen it that Breakout has been acquired by Kraken FN, and it is the first prop firm in crypto with a backing from an L1, and Kraken bought it. It is, as we see here, even more legitimacy in the space, being the best one in the space. And I do trade with that, so you can also join, by the way. Over here you get, with the code down below, you do get a discount as soon as you join. And as we see here, I did open a $50,000 account and I paid only $495 for it. Now, why do I do it? Because if I trade with $50,000, it is way easier to make this type of money. And as we see here, let's go and close it. Close a $7,000 position, and here I have it, $7,000 in profit. So it is way bigger if you trade with this amount, or 25,000 instead of 495,000, because a 10% on 50K, it's a 5K profit. A 10% of $500 is $50 profit. So that's why I'm going to trade it. And I'm also going to close my link, as we see here, with another $1,000 profit. And I will open another Solana over here, a Solana short over on Bitcoin. Why? Because I do believe it is going to go to 107,000. That is my confirm. And here we go. Sold it. So open a new position. So come and join. You get a discount as soon as you join with my code down below. Pick the account that you want. Come on the trading group as well. Over here on Twitter, I have the dedicated trading group for all of you, free to join. I do all the calls as we see right here, technical analysis, price analysis, and all that. So come and join, get your account, come and trade with me and start making money as you see here. And this is my trade for the day, as well as over on Wix, if you want a KYC, non-KYC exchange, because this is a non-KYC exchange, we do have a 20% bonus available for any deposit that you do. You meaning that you deposit $1,000, you get $200. You deposit $10,000, you get all the way up to $800. So free for you all to go and make money here. Come and trade with me over on Breakout or on Wix. And let's get it going, because we are making money and this is very, very juicy. Non-KYC exchange over here on Wix, and I will replicate the same trade that I did over here. I replicate it over on Wix as well. And as we see, this is the breakout announcement that it has been acquired by Kraken, which is absolutely amazing. Talking about an airdrop which dropped the KYC method is GRVT. GRVT, as we see here, we know it was dedicated for trading in terms of KYC required. As of right now, there is no KYC required anymore. They slashed it because they probably saw that people didn't want to do it. So now, through the link down below, you can go and get yourself some points for the upcoming airdrop, which you still have time. It's probably going to be on at the 2026, so you still have time to go and earn. The link will be down below. Make sure to earn trading points, inviting points, quoting to earn point, which means open a position and keep it open. This is what the quote to earn is, and the trade to earn is the more you trade, it's again trading. So if you want to go and join them as a trading platform for an airdrop in this case, because yes, Breakout is and Wix are not going to have an airdrop. These are dedicated prop firm over here. By the way, $70 in profit already. I've already done potentially a daily salary by simply opening that position. Breakout and Wix, they do not have a airdrop. So these are dedicated exchanges, and Breakout is dedicated prop firm. But GRVT, it is going to be an exchange which is going to launch kind of like Hyperliquid, which does not require KYC. So if you still didn't join it because you hated the KYC method, now is your time to go and join. Talking about the airdrop, we see here that Aventis airdrop checker is now live. The page will be down below. Simply click on check eligibility. Connect any wallet that you want. Let's go and connect, for example, the MetaMask wallet over here. And once you go and connect it, simply go and check it, connect everything over here, connect, allow the permissions, do the signing in and all of the goodies. And you can check as well different wallets. So now, for example, this is the MetaMask wallet, but as you see here, I'm not eligible. So simply go up, click over here, and you can check the Kepler wallet. So once again, go and check this wallet as well. I'm not gonna, waste your time with it, but understand, make sure to check every single wallet that you can in your possibility to go and do it. Next up, we have another airdrop checker that is live, and this is only if you do have an OKX wallet to check. And this is the Live Art X airdrop, which, by the way, I do not have a OKX wallet, so I'm not even eligible for it. And it is pretty much dust, as is seen also from here. It's pretty much, yeah, about probably 10-cent airdrop for all of the users. They just decided, you know what, yeah, we're not gonna go and support the community. So this one, sell it. Probably it's gonna take you even more money to go and sell it in terms of gas fees than it is to actual profit from it. And then we have rewards for Nansen point holders if you are one of them. Wallet Connect has dropped a 1 million WCT tokens to the Nansen AI point holder. So if you are eligible, you can get a minimum green tier, which needs to qualify. You get 165 WCT token, all the way up to 900 WCT token, and you only have until the end of the month, so 24 days left to go and be claiming and being eligible if you are for this airdrop, which is absolutely really good. But with that said, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to come and join me over on Breakout for all of the trading, as well as on Wix. It's a non-KYC exchange. And please join my trading group over here on Telegram. It is absolutely free to go and do it. No, it's not gonna cost you anything. So with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Now we're gonna go and enjoy the race. It's Saturday qualifying, Sunday, tomorrow the race. Today, let's hope for the qualifying. Let me know which team you support down below, and see you later. Ciao, guys.